Bro, you'll go get that ruler.
250.
Go get that ruler. I want to measure, see how long he is real quick. Where's that?
Yeah.
Right there on my tackle bag. And bring the scissors. He beat me the first time. He beat me.
Did not this one?
Oh yeah. Let's see something. Yeah.
You ain't gonna get range on that.
I'm trying to. I'm gonna go accurate as I could. Run real fast. He do something. There you go. Hold on, baby. Hey, say FaceTime, babe.
FaceTime Bay.
Yeah.
FaceTime Bay.
You told me that's 200 pounds.
There you go.
God damn, this fish heavy. He ain't even doing that.
There you go.
3.
Yeah, that's over 6.
I got the whole video. 6.5 feet.